Hi, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in today's video, we are going to decoupage these bottles using a napkin. That's right. I'm gonna take the images off of the napkin and slap them on these bottles. You cannot even tell that those are napkins. Let me get a close-up so you can see. See them images? Not that one. That's a vinyl sticker. But the little hearts. Check it out. See? Not the Batman baby. That's a vinyl sticker. But the background. Super cute. The same as this. You see the laugh out loud dolls with the glitter on them? Napkin! Napkin! See the logo? Napkin! Not that one. That's a vinyl sticker. Can you even tell the difference? Okay, you guys. With that being said, let's decoupaging our bottles. We're gonna do 2 water bottles and a sippy cup for my grandbabies. That's right. So you are looking at a laugh out loud napkin. Here's the pack, which I picked up from Walmart. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is separate the layers. I'm simply going to dip. Oh, let me show you the materials. We're going to use Mod Podge. And I got a little small thing of water. Okay, and then I got my brushes, one for Mod Podge and one for the water. Okay, so I'm simply going to separate the 2 sheets. If I can. There it is. Boom. Oh, I'm tearing it up. Okay, there we go. See? Can y'all see what I'm doing? Ignore that tear right there. But you see how I'm separating them? That's what I'm trying to do without tearing it up. So, take the 2 pieces off like so. Oh. I don't want that piece anyway. So, we good. Okay, we almost there, y'all. Almost there. Oh! Turn it up again. They really glued this one. Boom. Get rid of the bottom one, and we're gonna rock with the top one, with the designs. Okay, so there we have it. Let me pull over our first bottle, a little pink bottle right here, and let's get started. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me move so y'all can see. Can y'all see that? There we go. So, okay, let me actually push it just a little bit so y'all can see. Let's figure out what designs we're gonna use. Okay, so the first one is I'm gonna rock with her. I'm gonna rock with her, and I'm just gonna stick them all. Okay, because this is my plan. Now, which one? Put her on the white one. This is gonna be my main doll right here, and she's a sticker. So I want her right in front, and these little dolls to be in the background. So I'm simply going to take, I want her too. I like her. Let's start with her. So I'm gonna dip my brush in the water, and I'm just gonna outline her. That's all I'm doing. Dip it in the water and outlining. Just like so. Nothing fancy. And then I'm just gonna pull it apart. That's all I'm gonna do. Can y'all see that? Boom, there she is. Okay? And I am finished. I am finished with my grandbaby's bottles. Yes, I am. Let's do a quick recap. We decoupaged this baby water bottle with a napkin with the hearts. All right, and then I put a coat of epoxy on it, and I added a little bit of holographic glitter, white holographic glitter, to the epoxy. Mixed it up, slapped it on the bottle, let it do its thing, wet it the next day, and then I added the vinyl decal. Super cute. Then I coated it again with a coat of epoxy. Then you want to do your flood coat of epoxy. And there you have it. I did the same thing with all 3 bottles. That one is a vinyl sticker. The baby Batman is a vinyl sticker, and the background is a napkin. I kind of like the black, how it kind of spreads out like that. But yes, let's go to the Laugh Out Loud doll. That's a vinyl sticker. And all the other babies is a napkin. The hearts are a napkin. She's a napkin. The logo is a napkin. Super cute. You can't even tell. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos. I thank y'all for watching. I really do. I really do, you guys. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.